moving on to our next question. What is your vision for this school over the next few years?
Okay, of course, we already have the vision and the mission. I already explained that. So our, what we really want is to, and that's the vision, right? Is to implement all those, make those things happen as soon as we can. And I'm looking into like again next year as our, as the time that we start with all those. Although like in programming, for example, since it's difficult, it's something that we may not be able to implement right away because students will have like a long time, to learn that. Okay, so but we have started, and it's just a matter of time. They will learn also as long as we start to expose them. That's very important. Movies, we are working on it on that right now, so it will continue, because we already have lots of these next projects, movie projects coming in, and they are just waiting for us, to release the first movie, and then the next one is again the business consulting and project management and so on, like accounting and so on. So those are the things that we really need to move, and because it's really it will be really helpful for students and of course the parents as well, because we'll be giving jobs to parents, like if they want to support movies, like okay, just to coordinate or help in the setup, and so on. So at least they don't have anything to do or they want part time, so they can they can help. So it's additional learning.
Thank you, Paul.